Hey there carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about the importance of having a positive daily routine as a business owner and how that can help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist bespoke digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses not just survive but thrive, whether that's through our one-on-one program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. Why having a daily routine is so important for you as a business owner. Let's dive right in. So going back to kind of like my daily routine, go to bed at 11 to midnight, get 7 to 8 hours sleep, wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Like I said, don't have notifications on my phone. So the first thing that I do is I go and open my phone while I'm still in bed and open up my emails. I'll probably have about 45 emails. And like I said, 40 of them are probably junk and they just get deleted. I'll probably have like 5 emails that are actually important that have come through while I've been asleep. And 2 of those might be just emails that I've been copied in on that I don't need to respond. And 3 will be emails that I need to reply to. And so in bed, I will just answer those emails right then and there. Then I'll open up Facebook. And again, I've got no notifications on Facebook. I really don't care what my brother had for dinner yesterday or whatever. Do you know what I mean? So I'll just go through like all the notifications. There might be some related to the business in there. So maybe somebody's commented on one of our ads that we use to get carpet cleaning clients like you who's watching this right now. And if there's something that needs to be responded to, we'll respond to it there. I'll open up Messenger. And again, I might have like 3 or 4 messages. 2 of them I can just send up like the big thumbs up thing in Messenger. 2 of them might need an answer. So I'll just answer those. And then I'll go through all of my kind of day-to-day tasks, or I'll look at the internal messages and maybe I've had a couple of messages from my internal team. I'll answer those right then and there. This whole process probably takes me about 30 minutes. Before I've even got out of bed, I've literally got on top of all of the day-to-day. And all that's left for me really, is to do the big move the needle forward priority CEO entrepreneur stuff that's going to help me take my carpet cleaning digital marketing agency to the next level. Literally, by 7:30, I've caught up with all my messages, I've completely cleared the decks, and I've got the whole rest of the day now to focus on the business. Amazing. Again, the big entrepreneurs, the big gurus will be like, the worst thing that you can do is to pick up your phone as soon as you wake up and start fighting fires and stuff like that. Again, you should focus on the big priority needle moving forward tasks in your business. I do agree with that to some degree, but with me, I'm a little bit OCD, not massively to the point where I need medication or help, just a tiny bit. And I can't really relax or concentrate on the important things, knowing that there might be some email hanging out or something like that I haven't attended to as soon as I wake up. So for me, and especially because I've got this team around me, so I don't get that many messages or emails, for me, I would rather just wake up, just get on top of all of that stuff first thing, and then I can kind of relax knowing that I've cleared the decks. And like I say, I've got the rest of the day in front of me now, whereby I can focus on the important stuff. So yeah, wake up at 7, pick up my phone, get on top of all of my messages, get on top of the day-to-day, clear the decks, and then I'm kind of free at that point, like I said, to focus on the important stuff. And guess what? Because I don't have any notifications on my phone, once I've checked everything, my phone is not going to make a sound. It's not going to vibrate. It's not going to go off. The whole entire rest of the day is going to be completely and utterly silent. And I'm going to be able to concentrate on the important things inside my business. And I will, of course, check my messages again and communicate with my team and answer my customers' emails. But I'll do it when it suits me during the day at a time when I'm not working on something important. I'll get the important stuff done first. So honestly, if you do this, if you implement this one thing, it will literally take your company to the next level. Because when you're sat in your office or whatever, and you need that time to think and strategize, just need that time to be just a business owner, to have that silence, it's incredible. Just to actually just focus. It's amazing. routine. So I would certainly recommend that you like implement that to some level, you know, even if it's just turning off like all of your personal Instagram messages and Facebook messages, personal emails, all the notifications around that, but keep the business stuff on at the very least. That takes about 7:30. By 7:30, I'm on top of all the messages, I'm on top of my day to day. I then wake up, have a shower, head downstairs, have a coffee, and I have a banana for breakfast. I have that every single day, Monday to Friday during the working week. The reason I have a banana is because it's quick and easy. It's all about time at the end of the day. And again, I made another video talking about time. Time, it's a finite thing. Once it's gone, you'll never get it back, right? It's about getting the most out of your day as humanly possible, right? And this is why people have daily routines, to squeeze as much productivity out of their day, to move that needle forward as humanly possible, and to really optimize your day. And that's what it's all about, optimizing your day to get the best out of it and get the best results. So I don't want to waste 30 minutes or an hour screwing around cooking breakfast or even making cereal and milk, man. Like, the clock's ticking. Every second, every minute that goes by is time that I will not get back ever. It's gone. And that's how you need to think as an entrepreneur. So with a banana, you just take it out of the fruit bowl, peel it and eat it. It takes a matter of seconds to eat it. It's super healthy. It's stodgy, so it kind of like fills you up all morning, keeps you going till lunchtime. But not only that, it's got potassium in it. Here's another hack, right? As a business owner, potassium is slow release energy. Instead of like having something like really sugary, like breakfast cereal, where you have this like this kind of sugar rush and you hit this peak and then you have this huge crash, this is going to keep you going like all morning consistently with energy. Banana, it's super quick, amazingly convenient, dirt cheap to buy. So I have a banana for breakfast. I then walk to the office. Okay, so my office of my advertising agency for carpet cleaners is about 20 minutes walk from my apartment, and you walk through like an amazingly beautiful park and stuff. Again, I'm not like a fitness fanatic. I'm not into pumping iron, lifting weights, running 10 miles, going to the gym for 2 hours a day. If you are, and like going to the gym or running or going on an exercise bike is like your big thing, then great, like awesome, do that, right? But for me, I'm not into like mad exercise or like going to the gym and stuff. Obviously, I know that getting exercise is important, right? So every morning or every day, I have a walk to and from my apartment to my office. So I have a really brisk walk, and so that gives me like a bit of exercise, gets me out of the house, it gets the heart pumping, it gets the blood circulating, and it gives me time to think. And as a business owner, as a CEO, thinking is like one of the things that you need to do most. A lot of your time should not be like messing around, doing like day-to-day stuff. It's about having that freedom, having that time to actually be able to like think, to oversee the business, look at all the moving parts, think and strategize. And so that walk to the office not only gives me a bit of exercise every day, it gives me a bit of thinking time as well, right? And typically I'm thinking about, you know, the bigger picture, of course, but I'm also thinking about what I'm looking to achieve that day, what I'm looking to get out of that day. And so it kind of gets me into that kind of like right mindset to be successful for that particular day, but also on that bigger level. I get into the office, so it takes about 20 minutes, make myself a coffee, get myself set up. And then the first thing that I do is work on those priority tasks. The tasks that are going to move the needle forward. So let me give you an example. So today, right, like it's Monday when I'm filming this video. So today, Mondays is when I record my YouTube content. That's one of my to-dos today, which is what I'm doing right now. But I also got a few like admin tasks and stuff like that. Like I need to send some receipts to like my accountant. I need to pay like a tax bill and things like that. Now, out of all of those things, the lowest priority out of all of those things is sending receipts to my accountant and paying the tax bill. All of those things are things that are simply going to cost me money. It's going to take money out of the business. It's not going to actually make me any money. So they're low priority. If I don't get to send those receipts to my accountant today, it's not really going to make a big difference to the business. If I send them tomorrow or if I pay the tax bill tomorrow, it's going to be fine. No one's going to die. The business isn't going to go bust. Nothing's going to happen. It's not like super priority. What is priority though is recording this video that you're watching right now. Because this video, when I put it on YouTube, gets more eyes on my business. This is promotion for me, for my company. This, if it gets viewed hundreds, thousands of times, is going to help us to grow, to get bigger, to get more customers, right? It's going to help us to move the needle forward. So it's 10 a.m. at the moment. I'm recording this video. This is the first thing that I'm doing today is putting out, like, recording a week's worth of YouTube content, because that's the number one priority in my business today. That's the number one thing today, at least, that's going to help me to take my business to the next level. So I get into the office, and the first thing that I do is the thing that is going to make the biggest impact on the business. That's the first thing that I do. And then later in the afternoon, once I've done the most important things, once I've got the important stuff done, then I'll do like the boring, like business owner admin stuff that all business owners have to do, like pay a tax bill, send receipts and things like that. So I'll get into the office, I'll work on the things that are super important first. I'll then have lunch about 12:30. I normally bring like a packed lunch from home with a sandwich in it, some fruit, some vegetables, again, super healthy. You know, again, I'm not like a fitness freak or anything like that, or like a health freak, but again, like, it's about having a healthy mind. It's about, you know, being a healthy individual if you want to perform at like a high level as a business owner. So at the very least, eat healthily, like for lunch as best as possible. So I'll bring a packed lunch from home, some fruit, some veg, a sandwich. I'll eat that about 12:30, and then while I'm eating it, I'll normally watch some like entrepreneurial business content on YouTube, or I'll read a business book. I think it's always important as a business owner that you're always leveling up your skills, you're always learning and trying to learn more and trying to raise the bar. So whilst I'm having my lunch, like I say, I've normally got a book in my hand, something like that, and I'll be trying to level up. So I use that time very wisely to boost my skills and knowledge. That'll be till like 1 o'clock, 1:30. Then I'll go for a walk. Like I say, my office is right by a park, and I think it's really important. Something that I actually read online was that it's really important at lunchtime to actually get away from your laptop and actually go and get some like exercise and like go and get some like fresh air. And if you do that, just getting away from the laptop, just going outside, just going for a brief walk, even if it's just for like 10-15 minutes, can actually have a 25% increase on productivity when you come back in the afternoon. It just kind of refreshes you, it just kind of re-energizes you, kind of have that extra little boost to perform well in the afternoon and get the rest of your work done in those afternoon hours. So yeah, I'll get away from the laptop, I'll go for a walk for like half an hour. And again, that's just more thinking time, right? It allows you to kind of like step away and think about the things that you did, those priority things in the morning, and reflect on them, right? Like, could you have done it better? Like, have you got some more ideas? Just think. Thinking's huge as a business owner. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a call. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.